Good morning everyone. Today we will study the chapter number 5, arithmetic progression, in which we are going to study exercise first, fifth point, and in that question number 2. So please keep your book, keep your textbook with you, please. Now let's see question number 2, which says write first four terms of an AP when the first term A and the common difference are given. So let's see here. Question number 2, first question in which first term and common difference are given, and we have to write first four terms of an AP. So here I have written the typical formula of writing an AP, in which what it says that A plus C, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, where A is first term and D is common difference. The common difference between any two numbers. So first term A is given and the common difference D is also given, that is 10. So what will be the AP? The first four terms of this AP. So that will be AP. What is the first term? What is A? That is 10. So first term will be 10. Now second term. What will be the second term? Second term will be A plus B. That means you have to add the common difference in the preceding terms. So first term is 10. Then what will be the second term? So preceding term plus common difference B. So here will be 10. A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 10. So that will be A plus C. So that will be 20. Now here A plus 2. So third term will be A plus 2 into D. So 2 into D, that means 20. 20 plus 10, 30. Right? So third term will be 30. And so on. Or you can find an AP. This how that first term is 10, second term will be 20. So what is the difference between these two terms? That is 10. So you have to add 10, 10, 10 in each preceding term to get its successive term. So here we get 10, 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 10, common difference, 30, 30 plus common difference, that will be 40 and so on. Okay, understood? Now let's see question number 2. In that same sum question, in which first term is given minus 2 and the common difference is 0. So in this question, it's an AP, but the common difference is 0. How is that possible? Yes, it is possible. In an AP, the common difference can be positive number, negative number, and 0 also. So let's write. So this question will give an AP like this. So first term will be minus 2. Second term will be first term plus common difference. So add 0 in minus 2 in first term. So that will be again minus 2. Minus 2 plus 0. Minus 2. Minus 2 plus 0. Minus 2 and so on. So we have written 4 terms. And the question was asked that you have to find only 4 terms of this AP. Now let's see question number 3. Here the common difference is minus. So please focus. Many students mistakes every time. That whenever the common difference is negative, then they make mistake in calculating and AP. What will be the first term? As we have shown in the typical formula, that first term will be A. So A is 4. Now next term. What is next term? A plus. What is the second term? A plus B. So let us write A. A is equal to 4 plus D. Common difference D. So that will be minus. Okay. Third term, A plus 2. So A is equal to 4 plus 2 into D, which is minus 3. D, that is 3, and so on. So that AP will be first term 4, second term will be 4 plus minus, so 4 minus 3, 1. Third term 3 2s are 6, that will be minus, so 4 minus 6, that will be minus 2. 3 3s are 9, minus 4 minus 9, minus 1. And so here also we have found 4 terms, 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, actually there are 5 questions, and question number 4 and 5 you have to do it by yourself as in homework. I'll write it. Okay, now let's see question number 3. Question number 3. Check your textbook. The question number 3 says, for the following APs, so there are total 4 questions in which the APs are given. In that questions, we have to write first term and the common difference. What we have to write? The first term and the common difference. So here, in first question, what will be the first term? Obviously, that will be 3. In that question, that will be 5. In that question, first term will be 10, first term will be minus 2, first term will be 4. So it's that easy. So first, in this question, the first term will be 3. Now we have to find the common difference. Now common difference we can find, what do we mean by common difference? Common difference means the difference between any two consecutive numbers. That means subtract the preceding number from its successive number. मतलब अगले वाले नंबर को उसके बाद वाले नंबर्स में से सबट्रैक्ट कर दो. That will be your common difference, and it can be positive number, it can be negative number, and it can be 0 also. So here let us write the common difference D, and common difference must be same for an AP, because that is the most compulsory condition to making an AP, that the common difference is always same. So common difference, how can we find common difference? That is the formula A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, or AN minus 1. That means subtract the preceding number from its successive number. अगले वाले नंबर को उसके बाद वाले नंबर्स में से सबट्रैक्ट करना, that will give you the common difference. So here let us write suppose A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1. You can write A5 minus A4. You can write A6 minus A5. You can write A101 minus A100. Okay. So here what? A2 means second term. A1 means first term. A3 means third term. AN means nth term. AN minus 1 means n term से भी variable. So common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1. So A2 means second term in this A2. What is the second term? 1. So let us write 1 minus A1. What is A1? A1 means first term A. That is your A. A is equal to 3, and that will give you minus 2. So your common difference will be minus 2. Now for an AP, the common difference must be same for all the numbers. So let us take common difference for different numbers. So let us write D is equal to A4 and A3 की terms ले लेते हैं. D is equal to A4 minus A. What is the fourth term? Minus 3. Minus A3 third term is minus 1 is equal to, now see, minus plus, so that will be plus 1. So minus 3 plus 1 is equal to minus 2. Both are same. So here we have written that A first term is equal to 3 and common difference will be minus 2. Now let's see another example. that is second question, in which the AP is given -5, -1, 3, 7 and so on. So let us write first term, that will be -1. Let's find out the common difference D is equal to, let's say ये दो नंबर ले लेते हैं, थर्ड टर्म एंड सेकेंड टर्म. So let us write D is equal to A3 minus A is equal to A3 3 minus A2 second term, second term is -1 minus is equal to 4. By 4 minus plus, so 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Let's check for another numbers. Let us find common difference for different numbers. Let's take these two numbers. So D is equal to A2 minus A1. What is D2? Sorry, A2 is equal to -1 minus A1 is equal to minus plus 5 minus 1 is equal to, so see the common difference will be same for all the numbers of an AP. Okay, there are actually 4 questions. Other 2 questions you have to do by yourself as in your homework. Let's see question number 4. It says which of the following are AP? हमें चेक करना है कि क्या ये जो AP दिए है वो AP है या नहीं. If they form an AP, अगर वो AP है, find the common difference D and write 3 more terms. मतलब यहाँ पे 4 टर्म्स दिए, अगर बोला कि भाई अगर AP है तो हमें और 3 टर्म्स हमें फाइंड करनी पड़ेगी. सेम ऐसे ही वैसे एक्चुअली टोटल वहां पे देयर आर 15 terms, 15 APs are given and we have to check whether these APs are AP or not. So what is the main condition for forming an AP? That is the common difference. The common difference always same रहना चाहिए. So सबसे पहले हम वो चेक करेंगे कि क्या सबके लिए कॉमन डिफरेंस सेम है या नहीं. चलो पहले क्वेश्चन में ये दो नंबर्स के लिए कॉमन डिफरेंस चेक करते हैं. लेट अस फाइंड D is equal to first for 2 terms that will be A2 minus A1 is equal to, what is A2? 4 minus A1, that is 2. So we get 2 as a common difference. Let's take third and fourth. D is equal to second and third. So it will be A3 minus A2. A3 minus A2 is equal to, what is A3 third term? That is 8 minus second term, that is, and we get common difference 8 minus 4. So here we get 2 different common differences. So this is not an AP. It is a series of numbers, but this will not be an AP. Why? Because we get different common differences. So it will not form an AP. So we don't have to write the other 3 terms of this given question. Let's check this one. Okay, question number 3rd, which is -1.2, -3.2, -5.2 and -7.2 and so on. Let's check the common difference are same or not. So let's find out the common difference. D is equal to A2 minus A1. Second term -3.2 minus A1. A1 is also -1 point. What will we get? See, minus plus, so that will be plus 3.2 plus 1.2. So it will give us minus. Got it? Let's check these two numbers. D is equal to A3 minus A2. A3 minus A2 is equal to, what is A3? Minus 5.2 minus A2. A2 that is minus 3. Here also minus plus, so that will be minus 5.2 plus 3.2 and that will give us minus same, but still we have to check these terms. B is equal to A4 minus A3. What is A4 minus 7? Minus A3. A3 that is minus 5 point. Minus plus minus 7.2. It's minus 3 7 point. Minus 7.2 plus 5.2, then we also use as minus. So yes, here we get the same common difference, minus 2 and minus 2. So yes, the question number 3rd is an AP. But what was asked that if it is an AP, then you have to write 3 more terms. The next 3 more terms. So what we have to do? Simply we have to add common difference in the last term. So last term is minus 7.2. So add minus 2 in that question. Add minus 2 means plus minus 2. So that the next term will be minus 9.2. Next term will be minus 11.2. Next term will be minus 30. And so on. Okay, so there are 15 questions. You have to try all the questions at your home, in your homework, and if you have any queries, you can send message on my WhatsApp number. Thank you.